come on over. I don't care if people find out. They say that we're no good together, and it's never gonna work out. But baby, you got me moving too fast, 'cause I know you wanna be bad, girl. When you're looking like that, I can't hold back.
Sekarang kita mau menjelajahi Kota Langsa. Modul Nusantara kita pertama. Tadi kita udah mengelilingi kampus, kita udah diperkenalkan apa itu Universitas Samudra, ada apa aja di sana, prodinya apa aja. Dan sekarang kita lagi berada di Kota Langsa, tepatnya di Lapangan Merdeka.
So let 'em take a picture, spread it all around.